Creating an FTP account. This tutorial will show you how to create an FTP account in cPanel. By default, you already have a single default FTP account. Use your cPanel username and password to log into it. Creating new FTP accounts can be done to give FTP access to other people without giving them your cPanel login credentials. Click the FTP Accounts icon. Enter a login name. Enter a password. Enter the password again to confirm. A recommended directory has been automatically generated. You can change this directory to whatever you'd like. The FTP account will be limited to the specific directory and any subdirectories. You can also set a disk space quota for the account. Click the Create FTP Account button. Congratulations! You now know how to create an FTP account.